My name is Aaron Gonthier Jr. I make videos on live streaming, railroading, and full-size trains. Also, my life at college and at home. This is home life. This is life vlog.
Hey guys, or good morning, or good afternoon, or whatever's the appropriate thing here. If you can't tell, it's snowing. Of course, according to the app, it's not snowing. It's cloudy. That looks like snowing to me. So, I have no clue what's going on. I almost had to say that I'm kind of wondering if a lot of these people who are claiming global warming, claiming global warming are full of crap, because, to be honest, that looks like we got global freezing happening, not global warming. So, I'm wondering if there's a bunch of people who are just bent on, they don't like seeing all this so-called pollution in the air. They just don't want to see it. They don't want it being clean. So I'm thinking it's a bunch of BS at this point in the game. How often we've had snow in April? It's April. That should be rain, people, and anything. So yeah, I mean, give me a break. It's snowing in April. So I don't know what to tell you guys, but someone's full of BS. That's all I can say. BS. Because, to be honest, I don't know what I can say about this. Well, guys, I'm not too sure. I'm sitting here watching some YouTube on my screens, and I was sitting here with some dirt on my laptop, which, with this, literally, I'm not kidding you, I am about ready to put a fan in one or both these windows here in my office / guest bedroom. It's more of an office than a guest bedroom. I'm gonna put the bed, or I gotta talk to my, anyway. I gotta do something about, the dust in here, because it's honestly way out of hand. I was blowing it off with my little can of air, got this one, I got the HP, and which is what is right here. This is the monitor for the HP. Anyway, I was blowing this off, and I'm not kidding you, the straw shot out of this and landed somewhere, don't know where. Yeah, so I have no clue where the straw went for it. And yeah, like, literally there was so much dirt on this that I actually couldn't, it was just driving me nuts. Little OCD about that. I royally can't stand dust. So I was trying to blow it off and wipe it off, and trying to make sure it was clean, because I like a crystal clean screen. I probably should also maybe wipe down the lens and the screen on this at some point, but I don't think this gets that dusty. I try to keep this thing like fairly clean. I was gonna use my other camera, but then I remembered, wait a minute, the other camera doesn't have any audio. So there's that problem. We're getting there. So I just posted next week's video, and I'll probably post a little bit. I think on my phone I have some video from earlier. It was snowing. I have no clue what it's doing now. I'm about ready to go see, but yeah, it was snowing. I filmed that a little bit on my phone, so fun. So, in any case, I'm gonna get back to some YouTube and try to get some stuff done. But yeah, that is the oddest thing. I definitely think this is gonna go into the vlog next week. So, yeah, I hope you guys enjoy it. Let me guys know what you think about that really nice multi-camera time-lapse in last week's video. And also let me know what you guys think about that nice little train shot at the end of the vlogs. Hope you guys don't get too bored of it, because as of right now, that's all I've got till I don't know when. So in any case, I'll see you guys. Yeah, in any case, yeah. Well, guys, yet again, it's snowing. I have to say, it seems like this year we have quite a bit of stuff, and I'm just hoping by fall I can get my hands on some sort of proper snow fighting equipment, so I can do stuff. But yeah. So yeah, that's what's going on. So yep, I'll probably set up a camera and do a time lapse just like any other snowy time here. So yeah, we don't need snow. We need some rain. Well, technically snow is rain, but we need it, a little warmer, come on. A couple 50s, maybe a 60-degree day would be nice. Maybe. Just maybe. Come on, people. It's not too much. It's just, snow. We don't need snow. We need some rain. My compost needs some water. I need snow. Matter of fact, I gotta go. Actually, speaking of that, I actually gotta get a mantis so I can turn the compost pile because it's so full. You actually can't. Well, it's very difficult to kind of store easily. So there's that. Yeah. So in any case, that's that. So oh, excuse me. Well, let's just hope everything goes good, and hopefully a little later it's not snowing too bad, and maybe I'll because I got some meetings to take care of today. Fun. My usual typical meetings they have every week, Yeah, not much going on, but no! Why? We don't need it! It's April! I need some rain, people. Need some April showers. I mean, we can't have May flowers with this. With this white stuff. What's this? Come on. Come on, God. Bring some rain. Not like he watches you. No, who knows? You might actually find YouTube kind of fun. But come on, we need some rain. We need some rain. Come on. We need some rain. This is just ridiculous. Ridiculous, I tell you. Ridiculous. Snow in April. Let's just hope the rest today goes good. Let's hope everything else kind of wraps up. Well, guys, I'm right now making supper for myself. A nice little round of pork chop with some salad. And I look out towards my thing, and this is what I see. If you guys can't tell, it is snowing. That's right, snowing. And no, I did not stutter. So, instead of it's raining, it's pouring, the old man's snoring, it's snowing, it's blizzarding, the young man's crying. Ugh. Blizzard. Gotta love it. Well, worst case, I guess I'll eat the 15 and see how the weather changes. Or is it 5? Anyway. I'll wait a bit of time and then I'll get some things done. In any case, I hope you guys enjoyed it. We did have a little bit of rain earlier in the week. I wasn't able to show it in the vlog. this week's vlog's coming out next week. So yeah, in any case, hope you guys enjoy it. I'll drop my YouTube channel in the little caption thing, and we'll see you later. And if you do subscribe, don't forget to ring the bell. I think it's still gonna get me in so much trouble, but you know what? I like being different. Well, guys, that's the vlog. I hope you guys enjoy it. And you know, probably not much, but it's something. Yeah, meetings today. You know, doing adult stuff. It's been kind of being me. Chris took care of my normal things. Next week should be quite exciting. So next week will be full adventure, and who knows where everything will go. You know, I certainly do not, for sure. So if you like, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and if you do, don't forget that bell. Probably book the neighbors a little. And I will see you guys next week. Don't forget to spread the love around. Stay off the road tracks. They're not for you. They're for the trains. And I'll catch you next time.
You too.
Yeah.